This is Realtor Rob here with another property for you here on Broward Boulevard, east of 95 in the city of Fort Lauderdale. There's 95, here's the station. Today we have for sale the garage component and the car wash component. Great deal, priced at $99,000 for the business, including all the equipment and the car wash business. Gas station and convenience store not included. There's the car wash area, hand wash area with a tent, and there is previously there an automated system which they no longer use. High traffic count area. Showing you the interior of the garage. See, they've got 4 bays, full equipment. They sell used tires. They do alignments, tune-ups, oil changes, brakes. Great location. Realtor Rob at 954-347-6831, or you can email me at realtorrob.jls@gmail.com. So that's it for today, folks.